Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new Google Pixel 6a and we're comparing its video recording capabilities against the flagship Pixel 6, which is a bit more expensive, and both phones are recording at 4K 30. Now, right now I have just turned the phones with their back towards me, so I'm using the main camera and not the selfie camera. This is the 1X main camera on both phones, so you get a sense of the video quality. Let me just walk to demonstrate the video stabilization. Alright. And you also have an ultra-wide camera that you can use. This is the ultra-wide camera right now, which gives you, of course, that wider perspective, but more epic view. Switching back to the main cameras, you let me know if you see any differences and which one you like better. Alright guys, this is the Pixel 6a against its sibling, kind of a sibling, the Pixel 6 actually, which is the flagship in the series. While the Pixel 6a is the more affordable option. And right now I'm recording using the main camera on both phones in low light at night. This is the quality that you get with the main cameras. So let me flip it over. I'm here at the park. Please, on the viewfinder, the Pixel 6 is actually so much cleaner. Wow, the footage from the 6a is kind of grainier and noisier. Let me just walk a bit further. Well, definitely a big difference here in the viewfinder in favor of the Pixel 6. Seems to be doing an excellent job. Pixel 6a not so much. Alright. Let's walk a bit. Interestingly, the color of the grass is kind of this warmer tonality that you see on the Pixel 6 rather than the colder one on the Pixel 6a in real life. These lights kind of illuminate the grass here. Alright, and going back to my scooter, it just turned off, but that's not a problem. So yeah, definitely much brighter, the Pixel 6.